Hi everyone, it's Fabrizio, your Thermomix advisor. Right, I'm here today to show you what you can earn, what you can get in March when you're hosting a demonstration with me. Yes, of course, with me and 3 friends of yours. Yeah, so we've got first host gift you can choose from is the thermoserver. Now the thermoserver is more than just a serving bowl. I mean, its main purpose is to keep your food hot and cold for up to 3 to 4 hours. It's amazing. I use it for dips as well as stews, leftover vegetables, sorbet, ice creams. You can also put it straight in the freezer. But the best part is that in the summer, right, in the summer, you can use it as an ice bucket and it's fantastic. You can put ice cubes in there, your wine in there. Yeah, great. So, thermoserver is one of the host gifts you can get. But let's go to number 2. Gift number 2, there we go, is the blade cover peeler. Now, for those of you familiar with it, you know how great it is. I mean, it saves you so much time. Think of your Sunday roast, your roast potatoes. Oh my God. Whew. It takes just 4 minutes for the Thermomix to peel up to 800 grams of potatoes or carrots, you name it. I mean, I've got a customer of mine, she says she used it to peel Jerusalem artichokes. Yes, you can do those too. Yeah, it's fantastic. The blade cover peeler, as the name says, is not just a peeler, it's also a blade cover, so you can use it for sous vide cooking as well as slow cooking. So 3 functions in one. I mean, fantastic. And then the third host gift you can choose from is the 50th anniversary green spatula. Look at that, fantastic. Now, these green spatula was launched a few months ago to celebrate the Thermomix's 50th anniversary. It's the first time ever the Volwork have gone green, just to celebrate that. Fantastic, look at that. It even matches my Community Star t-shirt. Yeah, I mean, why would you want a spatula? Because you never have enough spatulas in your kitchen. You never do. Why would you have to keep washing the same one? You have another one, have a spare one. Yes. So, what you need to do to get one of these amazing gifts? All you've got to do is to just host a demonstration. Yeah, that's it. That's as simple as that. You, myself, and 3 of your friends. So, easy, isn't it? So, we meet, we cook, they enjoy the food, I enjoy the company, and you get a gift. And we all win. Okay, so give me a buzz, give me a call. I've got some available dates for March, and look forward to hearing from you. Bye!